Hello and welcome back to 100 coding challenges in C Sharp. This is episode 33 and it's called for loop largest number. In this challenge, we're going to ask the user to enter 10 numbers and then we want to output the largest number that they entered. If you'd like to give this challenge a go yourself, then pause the video now. Let's get started. So let's start off with asking the user to enter in 10 numbers. And then let's declare a variable called largest number. So we're going to make it an integer and we'll say largest number. And then let's just set that to 0 as that's the lowest number we're supporting. And then we want to go ahead and define our for loop. So we'll do for int I equals 0 to start the loop at 0. And then I is less than 10 because we want it to iterate 10 times. Then I plus plus, so that it increments by 1 every time. And then in here, we want to declare a new variable called input. So we'll do int input, and then this will be where we take in the input from the user. So we'll do a convert dot to int32 on the console.readline. So this will also use for an input on every iteration. And then we just want to check if that input is greater than largest number. And if it is, we want to assign largest number to input. Then all we want to do is output that back to the user. So we can say the largest number is largest number. Let's go ahead and save that and run our program. Enter 10 numbers. So I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And then for the 9th one, let's just do something a bit more. So let's go for 20. And then let's do 9 after that. And as you can see, it says the largest number is 20, or I'll just largest number is 20. And that's pretty much it. Very simple one today. There are several ways of doing this, so if you had a different way, then put it down in the comment section below and let me know how you did it. I'll be interested to see what you guys come up with. And if you're enjoying the series, then subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. I've also started doing some different types of videos. So we've got a calculator app in React. So if you want to learn React, make sure to check that out. And also I'm working on a project to create the world's first open source blog. And if you don't know anything about that, then make sure to check out my streams on Twitch. And also I'm uploading those streams to my YouTube channel as well. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested. See you guys in the next one.